Sige. Yes, ano yung box? Yes, ninong si Kaapno nga aduna ko ni boxing sa mga bayot. Ugma na daw. AKA Chito Banas. Joke lang mo, ipila na joke no. Yes, ang atong referee. Guwapo ka itong referee no. Marjook si Vice Paliti no. Itong referee. Yes. If I'm not mistaken, taga Libertad de siya. Libertad de siya. Libertad. Oh, di ba? Kaila ko no. Kaya nakuhaan mo rin ako. Na League Airs. Charlotte. Yes. Yes, once again, thank you so much to Barangay Council, SK Council. Thank you so much also to our Barangay Treasurer, Mrs. Janice Peralta, our Barangay Secretary, Mrs. Hazel Ingito, to our Barangay BHW, our Doctor, Barangay Doctor, Municipal Doctor, wow, Brisela Quahao, yes, thank you so much. Our Barangay Tanod, headed by our Chief Tanod, George Alo. Ay, sayop na ko day. Sayop. Sorry, dog. You know, I'm a comedian, air. Bitaw ay. And our municipal doctor, yes. Dr. Rowa and wife. Papa kasi doc, no? Pero yung asawa, ang saon taman. Anak dyan na siya. And also to our Barangay Captain, Honorable Tito Quahao. Thank you so much. Barangay Council, SK Council. Barangay Tanods, Baclayon Police. Yes, thank you so much. Decker worker headed by Janice. Salamat sir for your basta. Sir Manuel Flores, the president of boxing. Basta mo na to. No? Yes, also, thank you so much to RC Graphics, no? Owned by Richelin. Basta mo na to. Yes. If you have time, you just visit the Seafront Grill and Restaurant. Barangay Mansasa, Tagbilaran District, no? If you have time and you have a problema sa kinabuhi, at bisitahan lang ang Seafront Grill and Restaurant. Is located in Barangay Mansasa Street, Tagbilaran City, no? Kung gusto kang mawain mo problema, at tuha lang bisitahan Seafront Grill and Restaurant. Yes. Kung gusto kang tubig nga safety, duha lang ang JM Aqualife, no? Grabe. Endorsement kay Bayo. Ago. Bitura. Ago. Bitura. Ago. Grabe, mabukbuk na si Aldrin, no? Magpabukbuk ko ni Aldrin unya, uy. Ha? Ha? Asa? Shout out ko ni Gerald Kalibugan and Louis Calizar and Joey Grace. Yes, thank you so much, senior citizen, for using the office, no? Yes, thank you so much. Headed by Ma'am Marilo Tabrero. Grabe si Madam Marilo, no? Nabuhat yun yung tanan. Yes. For more, Yes, also we'd like to thank also the BNS of Barangay Santa Cruz. Thank you so much. Barangay Lupon. Oo. Nagyang salamat, no? Yes. Barangay officials of Barangay Santa Cruz, headed by Barangay Captain Honorable Tito Guahang. SK Council, headed by SK Chairman, SK Chairwoman, Jubig Grace Hinging. And also to our municipal doctor, Dr. Rowa and wife, yes. And also to our barangay doctor, headed by, barangay nurse, headed by Blisella, wow. Barangay health worker, oo, yes. And also to mga members at mga barangay, no, we have Ana Ruz Banas, Lurita Calizar, yes. Lee Kunsaga, Damiana Quahao, Lisa Gipaz, Gelda Alo, no? And also our barangay treasurer, headed by, we have Janice Peralta, and also our barangay secretary, Hazel Ingito, no? Dagang salamat. And also to our barangay tanod, headed by, Kagawad Lando Calizar. Chief Tanod, George Alo.
Ladies and gentlemen, winner by split decision, 2-1, blue corner.
Yes, congratulations, Aldrin.